It's another great day at Stapp Interstate Toyota. I'm Mike Schultz, Fixed Operations Director, and it's June 2021. And for this month, we're featuring cabin air filters and premium cabin air filters for 20% off. Many of you may or may not know where your cabin air filter is located. That's why you'll see that we've been in the glove box or behind the glove box inspecting that, so that when we present to you your multi-point inspection, we tell you the condition of the cabin air filter. And I'd point out to many of you that have allergies like myself, getting a clean cabin air filter in there for the summer while everything is blooming and blossoming is a great thing. So again, schedule online at interstatetoyota.com and ask for the premium cabin air filter and cabin air filter special for 20% off. And again, let me emphasize, so that you get the appointment that you want, schedule in advance at interstatetoyota.com. Thank you.